How to create a local volumetric force in Unreal Engine 5. First, I click here and select the visual effect and click local force volume. And now I drag this force to the right place. And here I need to copy this location, copy it, and select this force and paste it. And next I will scale it up, maybe 30. Okay, then next I will change the force intensity, and also can change the high force intensity. Yeah, I think this is better now. And also you can change another value, change here. Also you can change this force color, change the force emission. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.